Welcome to the best picks. The best hanging picture kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone looking to elevate their home decor, transforming blank walls into personalized galleries that reflect your unique style and memories. This kit simplifies the process of displaying your cherished photos, artwork, or mirrors, ensuring a professional and secure finish without the usual hassle, making it an indispensable item for homeowners and renters alike who want to add a touch of personality to their living spaces. Number 5. 30 PCS double-headed picture hangers, black. Tired of flimsy hangers? Our double-headed nails offer a secure groove, ensuring your items hang steadily. They provide more possibilities for hanging pictures, clocks, or even holiday lights. Worried about damaging your walls? Removal is simple. Just use a hammer to gently lift the hook, and it comes off without leaving distinct marks. Perfect for renters. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, these black wall hooks are built to last. They resist rust and offer powerful support for all your treasured items. Hang pictures, decorations, or even whiteboards with ease. These are ideal for your home or office, adding elegance and pleasure to your decor. Installation is a breeze. Depending on your wall surface, you can use a hammer or simply push them in with your thumb until the head is flush. These hangers are suitable for drywall, cork boards, and more. They are a better alternative to traditional poster pins for bulletin board decorations. What we like? This option features a unique double-headed nail design for secure hanging and is renter-friendly, leaving no damage behind. If you're looking for a solution that prioritizes the integrity of your walls and offers versatility for various decor items, this is a great choice. It's perfect for renters or anyone who frequently redecorates without wanting to patch holes. What people say. These double-headed push pins make hanging photos, prints or lightweight decor on drywall or corkboard incredibly easy yet refined. Made of stainless steel with a sleek matte black finish, they leave minimal wall trace and preserve your space, ideal for renters, too. The double-head design doubles as a hook, so your prints, frames, or decorative pieces stay secure. These are well-made, high-quality all-metal push pins. They penetrate into all reasonable surfaces. They are strong and hold weight. They are great for hanging pictures and tapestries. They leave a negligible hole. Number 4. Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit with 8-ounce Hammer. Introducing the Mr. Penn Nail Assortment Kit, your all-in-one solution for hanging pictures and completing various projects around the house. It includes everything you need to get started. This comprehensive set comes with 600 high-quality nails in 4 different sizes, along with a sturdy 8-ounce hammer. It's perfect for everything from hanging photos to small repairs. Crafted from galvanized iron, our nails are strong, sharp, and resistant to bending. The hammer is made of high-density carbon steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance for long-lasting use. With 4 different nail sizes available, you'll always find the perfect fit for your specific needs. Whether it's for carpentry, crafts, or decorating, this kit has you covered. The nails are neatly organized into 4 separate grids by size, making them easy to find and use. The compact packaging ensures portability, simplifying your work wherever you are. Easily hang pictures, mirrors, art, and more with this versatile set. It's an excellent choice for various household tasks and creative craft projects. What we like? This kit comes with a generous 600 nails in 4 different sizes and includes a hammer, making it an all-in-one solution for immediate use. If you have a lot of hanging to do or are starting from scratch and need a complete set, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who appreciate convenience and want to tackle multiple projects without buying separate tools. What people say. For a small hammer, this is top quality. Definitely worth buying. I also love the assortment of nails, those came in really handy putting up a painting. I got frame hooks but they wouldn't hold, but these nails did the job perfectly. It's small, but mighty, kind of like a chihuahua. And just like a chihuahua, it has a lot of bark, or, in this case, bang, for its size. I was a little skeptical at first, but this little guy has really delivered some serious pounding power. It's perfect for those small DIY projects around the house. There are 600 pieces of small nails in a variety of sizes, which is great because you never know what size nail you're going to need when you're hanging a picture frame or assembling a bookshelf. The case is also really durable, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart and spilling nails everywhere like a poorly designed piñata. This little version fits my hand perfectly. The handle is comfortable, allows me to control it easily. Its size and weight belies the fact that it works just as well as a regular size. Number 3. Mr. Pen Picture Hanging Kit. Introducing the Mr. Pen Picture Hanging Kit, your all-in-one solution for effortlessly displaying your cherished memories and artwork. This comprehensive set has everything you need to get the job done. With 220 pieces included, this kit provides an abundance of accessories such as wires, hooks, and nails. Everything is conveniently organized in a durable hardware box for easy access and storage. This essential hardware kit is perfect for all your home projects and decorative needs. It's incredibly helpful for hanging pictures, photos, posters, and artwork in any space, from your home to your office. Our heavy-duty hooks are rated for various weight capacities, from 10 pounds to 100 pounds, ensuring a secure hold for any size picture. They are perfectly matched with the included nails, making hanging simple and reliable. All the components are neatly packaged in a safe and hard box. This design ensures easy storage and keeps your hardware organized, so you can find what you need whenever you need it. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers 220 pieces, including wire and hooks rated for various weights up to 100 pounds, all neatly organized in a hardware box. If you need a wide range of options for different frame weights and appreciate organized storage, this is the one for you. It's excellent for home or office use where you might hang anything from small photos to larger artwork. What people say. It has everything you need in one box, which made hanging pictures so much easier than digging through drawers looking for random nails and hooks. The assortment of sizes is perfect. I was able to hang everything from small frames to heavier wall decor without any problems. The hardware feels sturdy and well made, and the included hooks and nails held securely in the wall. Number 2. 276 PCS Heavy Duty Picture Hanging Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 276 pieces, offering 100 different combinations for hanging your frames. You'll find more nails than you need, ensuring a perfect fit for every hook. Whether your frames are light or heavy, this assortment has you covered. It supports weights from 10 pounds up to 76 pounds, with options for various frame types like D-rings and sawtooth hangers. Make hanging a breeze with the included 10-foot steel wire and mini gradienter. The gradienter ensures your pictures are perfectly level every time. Crafted from superior quality carbon structural steel, the hooks and nails are incredibly sturdy and durable. You can rely on them for lasting strength and security. We are committed to providing you with a high-quality product. We are confident you'll love the strength and convenience of this hanging kit. What we like. With 276 pieces, this kit stands out by including a mini gradienter for perfectly balanced hanging and offers weight ranges up to 76 pounds. If precision and ease of leveling are important to you, especially for larger or multiple frames, this kit is a fantastic option. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants professional-looking results with minimal fuss. What people say. The variety is great, the price was great. Nothing has fallen off the wall since I hung them, so the quality is also great. I love that it comes in a container to keep everything organized because I am not and would lose everything. From various types of hooks and nails to picture wire and a handy little bubble level, this kit had everything I needed to hang an assortment of frames, canvases, and wall decorations. The carrying case itself is both durable and well organized, making it easy to find and access the right pieces when needed. No more digging through messy drawers or scrambling to find the right hardware. This kit has streamlined the entire process. Number 1. 125 PCS Heavy Duty Picture Hanging Kit. Introducing a comprehensive set of heavy-duty hangers designed for all your hanging needs. This kit is perfect for both home and office, capable of holding items from 10 to 100 pounds. With a variety of weight capacities including 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 50 pounds, 75 pounds, and 100 pounds, this kit provides the perfect hanger for any item. You'll have everything you need, from small frames to larger canvases. Installation is a breeze, just a simple hammer tap is needed to secure them to the wall. Plus, these hangers are designed to be carefully removed and reused, offering excellent value and cost savings. These hangers are specifically designed for wooden or drywall surfaces, leaving only a minimal pinhole upon removal. Please note, they are not suitable for concrete or ceramic walls. Everything is neatly organized in a durable, recyclable box, making storage simple. You can easily find the right hanger whenever you need it, without any mess or confusion. What we like. This kit provides 125 pieces with hangers capable of holding between 10 to 100 pounds, all organized in a convenient, recyclable box. If you need a reliable set for a variety of items, from light decor to heavier frames, and appreciate eco-friendly packaging, this is a solid choice. It's suitable for general home decoration, office use, or even hanging kitchenware and clocks. What people say. These are so easy to use with wallboard. The nails go in at an angle so they don't slip out of the wall, making them more secure than a regular nail. They hold up heavier paintings easily. These hooks are amazing. Our landlord is a stickler for screws in the wall. These make the tiniest holes that are barely noticeable. There are lots of different size pieces in there, and it tells you on the box which hook to use for the weight. The variety of sizes is clutch. 10 pounds up to 100 pounds options mean you can hang your grandma's clock, your kid's art project, and that elusive mirror you swear you'll install someday, and this kit's probably got the right hook for it. These hangers handled everything from lightweight prints to heavier framed art without protest. And they leave only tiny holes behind, so my wall doesn't look like it's been in a ninja battle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.